Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's fast-paced technological world, artificial intelligence or AI has become a buzzword that is frequently thrown around but often misunderstood. In this video, we aim to demystify AI by answering a simple yet fundamental question. What is AI? We will explore various aspects of AI, including its definition, benefits, and potential drawbacks. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of what AI is all about. So let's dive in. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that involves the creation of intelligent agents, which are programs or systems that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. In other words, AI is all about making machines smart. But what does that really mean? To put it simply, AI is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self-correction. There are many different types of AI, but they all share one common goal: to create machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Some examples of these tasks include understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions based on incomplete information. AI can be applied to a wide range of problems in different fields, such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. For example, AI-powered systems are used in healthcare to diagnose diseases, in finance to detect fraud, and in manufacturing to optimize production processes. Let's take a closer look at some of the different types of AI. One type of AI is reactive machines. These machines are designed to respond to specific inputs in a predetermined way. For example, a chess engine is a type of reactive machine that can respond to each move made by its opponent by calculating the best possible response. Another type of AI is limited memory. These machines have a memory capacity that allows them to store information about past interactions and use it to inform future responses. For example, a chatbot is a type of limited memory machine that can remember previous interactions with a user and provide more personalized responses accordingly. A more advanced form of AI is the theory of mind. This type of AI enables machines to understand the beliefs, desires, and intentions of others. For example, a self-driving car is a type of theory of mind machine that needs to understand the intentions of other drivers on the road in order to navigate safely. Finally, there is the concept of self-aware AI. This is a hypothetical type of AI that is capable of understanding its own consciousness and the world around it. Self-aware AI is currently only found in science fiction, but it is an interesting concept to consider as AI technology continues to develop. But how exactly do these AI systems work? Well, it's all about algorithms. An algorithm is a set of rules or instructions that a computer follows to solve a problem or complete a task. AI algorithms are designed to mimic the human brain and allow computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. One of the most popular AI algorithms is the decision tree algorithm. This algorithm uses a tree-like structure to make decisions by breaking down a problem into smaller, more manageable subproblems. Another widely used AI algorithm is the k-nearest neighbors algorithm. This algorithm is used for classification tasks, and it works by finding the most similar cases to a given input and using their labels to predict the input label. There are many other AI algorithms in use today, and new ones are being developed all the time. These algorithms are the building blocks of AI, and they enable computers to perform tasks that were once thought to require human intelligence. Now that you have a better understanding of what AI is, let's take a look at some of its benefits. One of the main benefits of AI is increased efficiency. AI-powered systems can automate repetitive tasks and processes, allowing humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. For example, AI-powered assembly lines can work faster and more accurately than human assembly lines, reducing the need for human labor in manufacturing. Another benefit of AI is improved accuracy. AI systems can perform tasks with a high degree of accuracy, often surpassing human capabilities. For example, AI-powered facial recognition technology is used in applications such as security and law enforcement to identify individuals with a high degree of accuracy. AI can also help us uncover hidden patterns and insights in data. AI-powered analytics tools can process vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently, identifying patterns and insights that would have been difficult or impossible for humans to find. For example, AI-powered sentiment analysis tools can analyze customer feedback and social media posts to identify trends and opinions. Additionally, AI can provide personalized experiences for customers. AI-powered recommendation systems can tailor recommendations to individual customer preferences, providing a more personalized shopping experience. For example, Netflix uses AI to recommend movies and TV shows based on individual user preferences. AI can also enhance creativity. By automating repetitive tasks and providing new tools and interfaces, AI can free up human creativity for more innovative work. For example, AI-powered design tools can assist designers in creating new designs by providing suggestions and automating complex tasks. Now that we've discussed the benefits of AI, it's important to acknowledge some of its potential drawbacks. One concern is that AI could lead to job displacement as AI-powered systems become more capable. There is a risk that they could replace humans in certain roles. For example, as self-driving cars become more widespread, there is a risk that they could replace truck drivers and taxi drivers. However, it is important to note that AI has also created new job opportunities in fields such as AI development and maintenance. Another concern is that AI could exacerbate existing inequalities as AI-powered systems can perpetuate and even amplify biases present in the data they are trained on. This can result in unfair or discriminatory outcomes, particularly for marginalized communities. For example, if an AI-powered hiring tool is trained on data that reflects gender bias in the tech industry, it could perpetuate the underrepresentation of women in tech. Additionally, there are concerns about the transparency and accountability of AI systems. As AI systems become more complex and autonomous, it can be difficult to understand how they make decisions. This lack of transparency can make it difficult to identify and correct biases or errors in AI systems, which can have serious consequences. Despite these challenges, AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and aspects of our lives. From healthcare to finance to manufacturing, AI-powered systems are improving efficiency, accuracy, and customer experiences. As AI technology continues to develop, it is important to stay informed and engaged in the conversation around AI ethics and regulation. By understanding the potential risks and benefits of AI, we can work towards harnessing its power responsibly and ensuring that it is used for the greater good. Looking ahead, the future of AI is bright with many exciting developments on the horizon. One area of active research is in the field of natural language processing, where AI systems are being developed to better understand and generate human language. This has applications in fields such as customer service, where AI-powered chatbots can provide more natural and intuitive conversations. Another area of development is in the field of computer vision, where AI systems are being trained to better understand and interpret visual information, such as images and videos. This has applications in fields such as healthcare, where AI-powered image analysis tools can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. As AI technology continues to advance, it is important to continue exploring its potential applications and benefits. With responsible development and regulation, AI has the potential to improve our lives in many ways and shape the future of our world for the better. AI is a rapidly evolving field with new discoveries and advancements being made all the time. It is an exciting time to be involved in this field, and there are many opportunities for those who are interested in pursuing a career in AI. Whether you are a student or a professional, there are many resources available to help you get started. Online courses and tutorials offer a great way to learn about AI and practice your skills. Attending conferences and meetups is also a great way to network with other AI enthusiasts and professionals. By staying curious and continuing to learn, you can be part of the exciting future of AI. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a transformative technology with the power to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. By understanding what AI is, its benefits and potential drawbacks, we can work towards harnessing its power responsibly and ensuring that it is used for the greater good. As AI technology continues to develop, it is important to stay informed and engaged in the conversation around AI ethics and regulation. But overall, the future of AI is bright with many exciting developments on the horizon. With continued investment and development, AI has the potential to improve our lives in many ways and shape the future of our world for the better. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.